Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to clean data in Power BI, Power Query Essentials. Now, let's talk about a challenge many of us face when dealing with data in Power BI. Messy, unorganized data. Whether you're working with data imported from different sources or datasets that have accumulated over time, cleaning this data is crucial. Clean data ensures that your reports are accurate, reliable, and easy to understand. Today, we're diving into Power Query, an essential tool in Power BI, to show you how to clean up your datasets efficiently and effectively. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to navigate to the top menu in Power BI. Here you'll find the Home tab. From this tab, you should select Transform Data. Upon doing so, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Transform Data once more. This takes you to the Power Query Editor, which is the workspace where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Power Query Editor, you'll notice a list of columns from your dataset. Each column might contain duplicates, errors, or unnecessary information. Let's tackle these one by one. Begin by right-clicking on any column header. This will bring up a context menu where you'll want to select Remove Duplicates. This step is crucial because duplicate entries can skew your analysis and lead to incorrect conclusions. After you've removed duplicates, proceed to right-click again on the same column and choose Remove Errors. Errors in data can be problematic, especially if you're trying to perform calculations or data modeling. By eliminating these errors, you ensure your data is as clean and accurate as possible. You'll need to repeat these steps for each column individually. It's a bit of a repetitive process, but it's necessary to ensure that every part of your dataset is clean. Now, if you come across a column that isn't needed for your analysis, for example, a column full of null values or irrelevant information, you can right-click on it and choose Remove. This deletes the column entirely, simplifying your dataset. Once you've gone through all your columns and are satisfied with the cleanliness of your dataset, it's time to save your changes. Make sure to go to the top of the Power Query Editor and select Close and Apply. You'll be prompted to confirm these changes. Click Yes, and your clean, polished data will be applied to your Power BI model. And that's essentially it. With Power Query, cleaning data in Power BI can be straightforward and incredibly rewarding. It ensures that your data is precise, making your reports and dashboards more insightful and trustworthy. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to clean data in Power BI, Power Query Essentials. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online.